Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this beautiful dinnerware set. Now I have this in the 12-piece set that allows you to seat 4, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is a glazed stoneware in the color gray, and it is gorgeous. This set comes with 4 10 1/4 inch plates. This is going to be a great plate for your main course and your larger entree style dish. And then there is an 8 1/4 inch plate that's going to be great for salads and sides or just smaller meals like breakfast. And then you get 4 26-ounce bowls. I love these for cereal, soup, maybe even pasta. They are absolutely wonderful. All of the items are stackable, so they're going to store away easily. But if you want to leave them out on your table as a display, they are certainly beautiful enough to do that. I love these so much. And because they are a glazed ceramic, they are really durable. They should be chip resistant and hold up to regular wear and tear. They are microwave safe, so you can easily reheat your meals, and they are dishwasher safe, so it's going to be a breeze to clean these and take care of them. I love these for pretty much any meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even snacks. They are truly wonderful and easy to care for. If you guys were looking for some great plates and bowls, I think this is a wonderful choice. I know you guys would love these. I would absolutely give these a try.